Hey y'all, so today I'm getting ready to do my hair in this protective hairstyle that I've been wanting to do for over a month now. I've been waiting for the hair to come. I'm getting ready to do my hair, or start my hair. I'm going to start it tonight and finish it tomorrow. So my hair is from an old twist out, and I need to wash it before I install this hair, but I'm being trifling. I don't feel like it. And knowing me, I'm only going to keep the hairstyle in a couple weeks anyway, so it's not really going to make a big difference. My hair isn't really real dirty. It just need to get a little wash. So don't do like I do. Make sure you wash your hair, condition it. But this is the hair I'm using today. I'm going to do a whole video dedicated to the hairstyle, but I'm just showing y'all. This hair from Janet Collection, the Nyla Tress 2x Afro Dream Twist. So I'm doing some jumbo twists, and yeah, let's get that started. I guess you can watch me do it. I'm going to still record, like I said, on my tutorial camera. Over here, still going to record an actual whole tutorial dedicated to this hairstyle. Alright, so I guess let me get this started. Y'all remember when I cut my hair, when I was taking out my patient twist a couple months ago? This is how long that little section is. That's the only thing about trying new hairstyles is you ain't gonna know if you like it until after you done your whole daggone hair. And if you don't like it, like, God damn, I'm gonna take it out. Cause I tell you one thing, if I don't like it, I'm taking it out. I don't care how long it took me to put it in. I ain't gonna keep a hairstyle in that I don't like. Girl, oh my gosh, I don't know what the heck. You know how you see a picture of something, of a hairstyle, and you're like, oh, that looks so good. I'm gonna try that. And now that I'm trying it, I'm like, girl, what the hell was you thinking? I'll keep y'all updated. Let y'all know if I like this or not. Took a break from doing my hair. It's like, no, I only did 2. But my baby made us some dinner. So I'm about to turn this food up. What kind of fish is this, babe? He made some chili and sea bass, Spanish rice, and some spinach. And he used, let me see. So it was his first, or our first time trying the black garlic salt we got from Trader Joe's. I'll let you know how it is, but it looks so freaking good. Hey y'all, so as y'all can see, I finally finished my hair. Well, not finally, it was just yesterday I just started. So I calmed down, took a break, ate some dinner, and I regrouped, and I figured out how to do my hair how I like it. Because yesterday I was struggling a little bit in the beginning. But it's done, it's cute, I like it. I'll leave a link to this video. I have a separate tutorial on how I did my hair. I'll leave it right here. But today, I'm all made up for the tutorial, and also we were supposed to go out to dinner. But it was a tornado watch, of course, the time we want to leave out the house. So we just decided to cancel, and we're going to do something over the weekend because who want to get all cute in the middle of a tornado while it's all raining and toes wet and everything. So reschedule, and I'm a little hungry, not starving, but I want something to eat, but then I don't want nothing to eat. So I'm going to eat these cookies. So we did eat the chocolate chip cookies over the, last week we ate them, this brand. And my boyfriend liked them, which I'm a little upset by because he usually don't like sweets and I get to eat it all to myself. Like being stingy. But he actually liked the chocolate chips, so now I got to share those with him. But I had got these oatmeal cranberry cookies. So hopefully they're just as good as the chocolate chip. So just have 4 of them. I'm about to pop them in the oven. And I might eat a little ice cream with it, but no, I'm just joking. I like sharing with my baby. You know, he don't have a sweet tooth. I do. I will turn some chocolates up. But anyway, so I'm about to just snack on that, and I guess a little later on I'm going to decide what I'm going to have for dinner. Not even really that hungry. I had my mind or my taste buds set on this restaurant, but yeah, plans have changed. I like these. I'm going to call them like long kinky twists. Can you see them in the back? Long kinky twists. This hairstyle was kind of inspired from this girl. I saw a picture of her on Pinterest, and then my little sister Renee. Hey Renee, she had some kinky twists in her hair, and I was like, oh, they coming back, huh? I'm gonna do some jumbo kinky twists. Alright, y'all. Let's see how it tastes. Good, it's good. It reminds me of oatmeal raisin. These are a winner. We'll be getting a pack probably every time we go to the market now. Get back in from Trader Joe's and I was hungry, so we stopped at Checkers to get something to eat. Well, I got something to eat. I just got the lemon pepper chicken and got a sweet tea. And my boyfriend got this chicken probably like a week ago, and it was so good. I said, I bet you since I'm getting it, it ain't gonna be good. And then I gave him a piece of one of my fries. He said they need to change their grease. It tastes like their little funnel cake sticks. And the French fries do taste like their little funnel cake sticks. It's trifling. Yeah, I got the lemon pepper wings. Oh, they look good. I don't even care. I'm just gonna eat them. I'm hungry. My little meal. But from Trader Joe's, went back and got the chicken cilantro mini wontons. I don't think I have these. I have something else in the freezer. And he absolutely loved these little things, so he got 2 of these. And I got my cereal, my other cereal, so I'm starting to love cereal again. This cereal is really good. The ginger, almond, cashew, granola cereal, so good. And I just got some chicken stock to go with the chicken wontons. I'm gonna make some soup one day. And I'm gonna eat this food and I'll be back because I wanted to show you something else I got today. Oh, I finished eating, y'all. So let me show you what I got. I have so many Beauty Insider points because I never redeem them for anything. So I was just looking online and I said, oh, let me try this fragrance. Let's see. So I got 2 fragrances. The first one is Valentino Voce Vivo. This was 500 points. And I never even smelled it before. I just wanted to get it because I wanted to use some of my points. And wait a minute, let me tell y'all, girl. So if you see my couple vlogs ago, I redeemed some more points for a light blue Dolce & Gabbana. Well, my silly self, it was the men fragrance. So it was a cologne. So I wound up giving that to my boyfriend. I thought it was the women. My 250 points. I'm on my points back. Shoot. But I did open this a couple minutes ago. And the bottle, if you know Valentino bottle, because I don't have any Valentino fragrances, but my mother do. So I'm familiar with the little bottle. It's so freaking pretty. Isn't that the cutest little thing? And what are they called? I used to call these roller balls. I know it's not a roller ball. They sprays, but mini spray. I don't know what you call these perfumes anymore, but roller balls. It's a roller ball size. And it smells... It smells good. I was so excited because I was going to be mad if I wasted 500 points. I was going to try to return it. I don't even know if you can do that, but I don't even feel like explaining how it smells. Just get you a bottle, okay? It smells that good. Just get a bottle. If they still have it on Sephora website, if you have 500 points you can redeem, grab this. This is really, really, really nice. I like it. I'm obsessed with fragrances. I don't know why, because I have so many. I have so many fragrances that I wound up giving some away to both my sisters, my mother, my niece. But I still have a lot. Especially with me partnering with other companies like DOSSIER, and I have another one coming up, LUXSB. Fragrance coming up. Oh. Some fragrances in here that I have to show y'all. So, I don't even know why I got this because like I said, I got so many fragrances. But this is so freaking... Oh, it smells so good. So, I'm glad I got that one. And this one, Tolka. This is my first fragrance from this brand as well. And it's floral. Why did I get this? I don't know, because I honestly really don't care for floral smells too much. A little bit floral, but not too much. And the name of the fragrance is floral. So this is the little bottle. It's so freaking cute. And it smells like floral. When I think of flowers, this is what I envision. It's giving me older person, 60, 70-year-old person, classy older woman vibes is giving me. I'm gonna wear it one day and see if I like it, but I don't think I like it. But I do like the bottle, it was really cute. So this one was 250 points, and this one was 500 points from Sephora. And since I ordered online, you can't just redeem your points. You have to purchase something. Versus if I went in the store, I could have redeemed them, but who knows if they would have had it in the store or not. So I brought this. I always wanted to try it, so I think I'm going to try it tonight. My skin is looking okay, but this one, blemish, has been here for like 2 weeks and it's getting on my nerves. It was a bump at first, but it went down, and now it's just still there. It's like a little bump. So this is the original AHA 30%, BHA 2% peeling solution. It's a 10-minute exfoliating facial. That's what it is. This is nothing new. If you are familiar with the original, you would have seen this all across YouTube. The red mask that the girls be dripping on their face and make it look so dramatic, but it's a red mask. So I think I'm going to try this tonight. Yeah, I'll give it a try. And then, of course, you always get 2 samples. So the 2 samples that I have this is the Moroccan oil, shimmering body oil. So I could use it on days like today. I could just put a little oil across my chest or on my arms to have me looking glistening. I'll wear a nice little outfit like this, what I have on now. And then I tried this. What is this? I think this is some brightening cream. Honestly, I've seen this brand. I want to say they have something like some cream for your butt. So that's what I thought this was, but it's not. So whatever, some brightening cream. And that is, oh, wait a minute. So remember when I told y'all I was looking for the Johnson & Johnson's baby cologne? I could not find it in Walmart, so wound up ordering it off Amazon. So got 2 in the mail today. I love this stuff. So like I said in my other video, my mother put me onto this. So when I get out the shower, nice and clean and fresh, I don't like to put perfume on because I don't want to smell like I'm going out. I don't know. I just don't want to smell like that. So I put this on and it has me smelling nice. Yeah, like a baby a little bit, but nice and fresh. It's like a nice, clean, fresh smell. I absolutely love this. After I got the shower, I put it on my chest, put some on my arms, and it smells nice and fresh and clean. I love this. I was missing this. I think I didn't have it for like a couple weeks, probably a month. And I was missing this. So I brought 2. That's what I usually do when I go to the store at Walmart. I usually buy 2. But next time I see that Walmart, I might buy all of them. I don't even care how many on the shelf because I absolutely love this. If you have children, of course, you can use them, the kids and the baby, because it is for babies. But my big grown butt likes smelling nice and fresh after I got out the tub and after I got out the shower, and this does the trick. I just did my hair last night. My room is a hot mess. Girl, look at my room. I just did this video last night, and this is freaking trifling. Rods, hair on the floor. A mess. Look at that. A hot mess. So I need to clean up, but it won't be today because I just don't feel like it. So I guess I'll clean up tomorrow. Alright, y'all. I think that's it for tonight. My little food from Checkers. It was cool. Put something on my stomach. I didn't feel like cooking today, and I guess I'm satisfied. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all later. This room is a hot mess. I did not feel like dealing with it. I just don't. You have made that possibility. We can take that step to see. This is really gonna be. All you gotta do is say yes. All you gotta do is say yes. Tell me now what you feel. Let me address you, babe. So this is all of my fragrances now that I have, not including the DOSSIER fragrances I had to review. It's 4 boxes down there, and the other fragrance I have upstairs. So these are the new ones, the collection. Valentine. Okay, should I put her right here in the middle? I don't know. I'll just put her right here. And this little teeny baby. It's so cute. I have a couple mini ones. That's a little mini one. This is the mint fragrance my sleep butt got, but I just like it on my little stand. Mini Dolce & Gabbana the one, YSL, I think it's Libre, Coco Chanel Mademoiselle, and the newest little one is the Tonka one. And all the rest of them are full-size fragrances. And that's why I said I didn't need any more, so I had no business sitting there buying no more fragrances. But they were free, like I said. I never really used my beauty insider points, so why not? I still got a couple points, so I might go in there and buy me another fragrance if I see something that I like.
If one more label try to stop me, it's gonna be some dreadhead niggas in your lobby.
Hey, it's Amia, Renee. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today we are trying, what kind of sandwiches are they? I keep saying it wrong. It's boa, what are they called? Boa sandwiches, boa buns. So we're down here trying these boa buns. My sister, my boo-boo, El Keys.
Hey everybody.
So this is the spot. So they have a little outdoor eatery spot. I don't know if we're gonna eat out here because I don't like people walking past me without their masks on.
Y'all need some Whole Foods or look at
nice environment. No, girl. So what's the bowl made of?
My shooters come for free, so one more.